let's start with the first question. Why should text messaging be a part of your business? We're going to look at some statistics. According to a report by Portio Research, the majority of adults between the ages of 25 and 50 use text messaging to communicate with other people. Nearly 3/4 of respondents, that's 72% of the thousands of people that responded, said they send and receive text messages on a daily basis. Additionally, they tend to receive up to 10 messages per day. Meanwhile, consumers are spending more time with their mobile devices than ever. All right, so you as a marketer, you as a business owner, this will allow you to more effectively reach them. 65% of respondents indicated they slept with their cell phones next to their beds. Now, of course, you're not going to text them at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, but that just tells you how important the cell phone is to them. In 2010, text messaging became the most popular form of communication, surpassing email and voice as the most used contact method. 18 to 29-year-old consumers use text messaging more often than voice. On average, 94% of text messages are read. 80% of consumers keep their mobile with them all day long. When given a chance, 39% of U.S. consumers, that's over 76 million people, said they prefer text messages over radio, over TV, whenever you're talking about advertising. They prefer text messaging. 82.2% of wireless users have paid for some type of unlimited texting plan. So that's about 203 million Americans that have unlimited texting. Okay? So needless to say, the statistics support it. It's just a matter of you doing it. Now let me break down some Inspire Nation statistics for you. And this is on our policy review request. This is for the insurance side whenever we want to, I guess, reach out to folks and say, hey, you're coming up for renewal. We want to do a policy review with you to make sure you have everything you need. These are the numbers we got back. If we postal mail that customer that review request, we get a 3% or less response rate. If we email them, we get a 5 to 8% response rate. If we call them, leave a voicemail, we get an 8 to 12% response rate. If we do a social networking private message like a Facebook Messenger or a LinkedIn direct message, we get a 25% response rate. If we do text messaging, we get a 70% response rate. 7 out of every 10 will call us back or text us back or email us. They'll reach back to us and say, I got your message. Guys, what more could you ask for? Okay, so I think we've set enough groundwork to say you need to text message. Now the key is, what are the best text messaging campaigns if you're going to use it?